Pull down those seats. Alright, keep it like that for now. There we go. We got this in. Well guys, getting the headliner in, gonna have to steam it again. It creased pretty bad. I mean, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. We'll steam it again. It's never gonna be perfect. After it gets creased like that, it's never gonna be perfect again. It would help if the headliner was a darker color, but it's a very light gray, so. There it is. Nice click. Don't hit that.
Safety Connect is not active. To activate, please press the button again within 5 seconds.
Don't activate that.
Why is it red though?
Because you hit it. You got a sunroof. If ever you want your
Closing it on this
your hair to blow in the wind.
Yeah, my hair, right.
Alright. Hold up. Let's test it one more time. Alright. My dad is back here shining everything up with some Chemical Guys Silk Shine, which will restore this plastic beautifully back to original condition. Car's looking great already. All right. Well.
Done.
Well, we can put the seats in now.
It's behind here.
Beautiful. Look at that thing.
How am I shot?
Push the button. Alright guys, well that's it for interior installation for now. I'm leaving some of the panels undone because, for instance, I have to still plug in the safety module, and we'll do that at the end. But the whole interior just about is in, and this car is pretty much ready to go for some body work. So we're really pushing this build pretty quickly here, really progressing fast here. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss an episode, and as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.